In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bind your card for Taobao Payments. By the end, you'll have your card linked in Alipay, so you can check out on Taobao quickly and securely. Start by opening the Alipay app on your phone. Sign in with the exact same phone number you use for your Taobao account. Keeping the numbers consistent helps Alipay and Taobao recognize you as the same user, which makes payments seamless. If you're traveling or using a different SIM, be sure your current number can receive texts so you don't miss any verification messages. Once you're in Alipay, head to your card management area, Tap Me, usually found in the bottom right corner of the home screen. Then choose Bank Cards and select Add Card. Depending on your app version, this section might have slightly different wording, but it will be where your payment methods live. If you see an option to scan your card, you can use it. Otherwise, typing the details manually works just fine. Enter your card information carefully, card number, expiry date, CVV, and the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Small typos can cause the bank to reject the link, so double check the digits and make sure you're using the same name format your bank has on file. If you shop internationally on Taobao, confirm your card supports online and cross-border payments. When everything looks correct, tap Next or Confirm. Alipay will securely submit your details to your bank for verification. Next, verify your card. You'll receive a one-time password by text. Keep an eye on your messages and enter the code exactly as shown. Never share this code with anyone and don't post it anywhere. If the message doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and try the recent option, keeping your signal strong. After entering the code, confirm to complete the binding. You should see a success message letting you know your card is now linked to Alipay. From now on, when you check out on Taobao and choose Alipay as your payment method, your newly added card will appear as an option. If you ever need to manage it, return to Me, then Bank Cards to set a default card, rename the label for clarity, or remove it if you switch banks. If binding fails, check that your name matches your bank record, the card isn't expired, and SMS permissions are enabled on your device. Some virtual or prepaid cards may not be supported, and a small temporary hold may appear during verification before it automatically drops off. That's it.